Hey guys, what's up? It's Elle from gmailfiend once again, and in this video I'll be showing you guys 5 easy ways on how to stop spam emails. So here I have my primary tab, and as you can see I don't have much emails, but if you go to the promotions tab you can see multiple emails from the same sender from different websites. So I have Jotform and Cognito, Archbee, SurveyMonkey, and the like. So these are called spam emails. So first is, if I want to report a certain email as spam, then what I have to do is to click the email itself and click the report spam button. So it's the second icon on the upper corner. So click that and that would be marked as spam. So another option is by creating filters. So you can create filters by going to settings and click see all settings, and you can see the filters and blocks addresses. So you can just create a new one and input which senders you would like to stop receiving emails from. And next, the third one is by subscribing to a mailing list. So I am not subscribed to a mailing list as of now. So if you are subscribed to a mailing list and you want to stop receiving unwanted emails, then look for the unsubscribe link at the bottom of the email and follow the instructions. So this should stop future emails from that list. And the fourth one would be using the block feature. So if you're receiving particularly persistent emails from a specific sender, you can block them by clicking on the 3 dots at the right corner of the email, then select block. So next would be keeping your email address private. So this is very important. Don't share your email address with websites or services that you don't trust. This can help you prevent your email from being added to spam lists in the first place. So yes, by using these 5 features and by being careful about where you share your email address, you can reduce the amount of spam emails you receive in your Gmail inbox. So yes, thank you so much guys for watching this video, and I hope you tune in for more.